Well, hey there, Cecilia here, and today I'm going to talk about how the government will pay you $12,000 a year to hire your kids. So I did a post about that earlier, a couple of weeks, whenever, and a lot of people responded to me in my inbox, but some of the responses I got were outside of the country. So I need to clarify what I meant by that. This is only for United States citizens only. And yes, the government will pay you $12,000 to hire your kids. Where does this $12,000 come from, you ask? Well, it comes from the fact that if you don't itemize your deductions, the standard deductions is $12,000. $12,000 to hire your kids. They don't pay taxes, but there's a bonus. So make sure you stay tuned. All right, for those who do know me or don't, rather, my name is Cecilia. I go by the tagline, I'm your engineer by education, home business owner by desire, and I've added 15 months in counting successfully unemployed. So with that being said, my goal is to help network and affiliate marketers get off the struggle bus and teach them how to effectively use digital marketing strategies to build their brand and their business online. And then I also help brick and mortar business owners learn how to use digital marketing to bring more customers in the door and get butts in seats, a term I got from Miss Danielle Leslie. Struggle bus, I think, came from Keisha Bass. But anywho, so with that being the case, if you have watched me before, give me a 1 in the comments. If you, look, I'm so off kilter today. If you have watched me before, give me a hello, a fist bump, whatever your favorite emoji is. If you're watching me for the first time, give me a 1. And if you have watched me before and you got value from my videos, please feel free to like, comment, and share with those that you know. And if you're watching me live, drop a comment. I'm checking my phone, I think. Yeah, my phone. So I can say hello and give you a shout out. So with that being said, how the government will pay you $12,000 a year to hire your kids. So I already told you where the $12,000 comes from. It comes from the standard itemized tax deduction. But the trick is, how do you get it, right? Well, you get that deduction because you have a business. It's that simple. You got to have a business. So what business are you going to have? Are you going to buy Starbucks, a Panera Bread? Are you going to get some rental properties and have your kid do the upkeep and the maintenance? I mean, what realistically business are you going to have to hire your kids? Well, realistically, the business you're going to have is an online home-based business. And that way you can hire your kids to work for you. You get all of the over 400 tax deductions that are available to home-based business owners. But you ask, where am I going to find that home business? Well, it all depends on what you're interested in. Are you interested in weight loss? There's tons of companies out there doing weight loss. Are you interested in travel? There are travel companies out there. Are you interested in holistic or healthy eating or products that don't have additives or carcinogens or whatever the latest thing is that are in products that we buy at our local grocery store? Find out what you're interested in, and that's the business that you need to start. Now, me personally and the people on my team, we are in the no products business, right? We want to have a business that does not require us to have a monthly auto ship, that is not going to require us to get people to be part of our team. We want to be an entity in and of ourselves and share value with others that does not require them to spend hundreds of dollars a month before anybody ever signs up on their team. So with that being the case, let's talk about the things you can hire your kids to do. Now, it doesn't have to technically be work for your business. It can be work that they do for you so you can do more for your business. House cleaning, washing the car, yard work. Maybe you need to get organized. They'll organize your office. Do you have some filing that needs to be done? Do you have a planner? Maybe they need to update your planner for you. Are you technically challenged? I bet your kids aren't. Pay them to teach you how to get better at this thing called the internet. Let them show you about going live, about adding thumbnails, about putting catchy headlines. I mean, there's a lot of things that you can have your kids do that you can pay them for. Now, that also says you can't pay them some god-awful outrageous rate, but as long as you pay them reasonably and you can justify the work that they're doing for you is helping to advance your business, you can then deduct that on your taxes. Did you catch that? deducted on your taxes. So imagine you paid your kid $12,000 a year. Not only do they not have to pay taxes on that money, you just gave yourself a $12,000 tax deduction. Okay, you get it? You see how it works? But you can't do any of that if you don't have a business. So I am the person that's all about the working professional. I don't want you to be in a position to where you're robbing Peter to pay Paul, all because you have to have this home business. The company that I promote, the one that I work with, is $35 a month, and that's what I train my team in. Now, there are team members that are part of our group that have other home-based businesses, network marketing or affiliate marketing businesses, but the one that we start with is the one that's going to put the most money in your pocket the fastest. And if you want to branch out and grow from that, that's totally fine. We help you with that as well. But we want you to have a core, and that core needs to be something that's affordable, reasonable, and doable. And if you can't do $35 a month, forget hiring your kids. You might as well just live the 40-40-40 plan. 40 years, 40 hours a week for 40% of your salary in retirement. So if you want to get off that treadmill and get into the realm of success, if you want to get off the struggle bus, if you don't have a business and you want a business, if you have a business but it's taking you nowhere, if the business you're in, you only got into it because your brother, cousin, uncle, sister, friend convinced you to get into it, but you're really not passionate about it, let's get you off of that and get you into something that's going to put money in your pocket. Because at the end of the day, you are in business to make money. And then let's talk about hiring your kids, paying them a salary, teaching them about money, because kids need to learn financial literacy. The earlier they learn, the smarter they'll be. And remember, at the end of the day, it's all about leaving a legacy, especially a financial legacy for our families. Forget leaving them debt, clothes, shoes, and bags. Let's teach them a financial legacy that they can then teach to the next generation. It's about building wealth, okay? It's not about buying things, it's about knowing things. And the more you know about the tax laws and how to use them to your advantage, you'll be able to play the game of the rich and famous. All right, so with that being said, I hope you understand now, one, this $12K a year for your kids is US only. Two, the only way it works is if you have a business. Three, if you don't have a business, hit me up. Type a 10 in the comments, because that tells me that you are ready to go. You want to put this strategy in place, not only for yourself and for your family. So go ahead and give me a 10 in the comments. I'll make sure I get that information right over to you. And thank you. Again, my name is Cecilia. I'm your engineer by education, home business owner by desire, 15 months in counting, successfully unemployed. And I help network and affiliate marketers learn how to use digital marketing strategies to build their brand and their business online and ultimately make some moolah, y'all. That's the goal, right? So I hope you got value from this video. If you did, please like, comment, and share. Give me some hearts, give me some likes, give me some comments. Let me know where you're watching from. I appreciate you taking the time to jump on with me this evening. Thanks again. I'll see you next time, and God bless.